How to cancel TransferWise tutorial. To cancel a transfer on TransferWise, you need to first log in to your account on the TransferWise website or mobile app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfers section where you will see a list of all your current and past transfers. Find the transfer you want to cancel and click on it to view the transfer details. If the transfer is still pending, you should see a Cancel Transfer option. Click on this to start the cancellation process. You will be asked to confirm that you want to cancel the transfer. Click Yes to proceed with the cancellation. The transfer will then be cancelled and the funds will be returned to the original sender. Please note that you can only cancel a transfer if it is still pending and has not been processed yet. If the transfer has already been processed, you will not be able to cancel it. It is also important to note that canceling a transfer may incur a small fee depending on the type of transfer and the currency being used. Before canceling a transfer, make sure to check the transfer details and the TransferWise terms and conditions to understand any potential fees or charges. By following these steps, you should be able to cancel a transfer on TransferWise easily and quickly. Remember to always review the transfer details and terms and conditions before canceling a transfer to ensure you understand any potential fees or charges. TransferWise is a reliable and efficient way to send money internationally, and canceling a transfer is a straightforward process. If you have any issues or concerns about canceling a transfer, you can contact TransferWise customer support for assistance. They will be able to help you with any questions or problems you may have. Canceling a transfer on TransferWise is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. Make sure to check the transfer details and terms and conditions before canceling to understand any potential fees or charges. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily cancel a transfer on TransferWise and avoid any potential issues or fees.